guys, it's Ryan. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to take you along today for a home gating. This is an idea that actually came from my alumni association. I went to undergrad at Indiana University down in Bloomington, and they sent an email around for fall football season with tips and tricks to home gate, since tailgating and going to the games is not an option this year. So I thought it'd be fun to take you guys along for the fun, just silly little party that I was setting up today for my husband, my mom, my kid, and I, which basically just constitutes a drink and some fun food that we'll snack on while watching college football today. We are definitely a college football family. As I mentioned, I went to Indiana. My husband was raised on Indiana football and went there for one of his master's degrees, and my mom actually went to Purdue. So we are a Big Ten heavy family here and looking forward to the games today. I am going to show you guys the recipes that I'm making. I will go ahead and link them down below, but this isn't going to be like a serious kind of cooking tutorial video. I'll show you guys what I'm making and some bits and pieces along the way, but not like full recipes in voiceover mode. So if you want to check out the recipes, check out the links below, but let me go ahead and show you guys the start of the table that I put together as well as the things that we're making. And I do apologize if you can hear my kid who's playing right next to me, but my husband's working this morning, so he is helping me out with the tailgate preparations. So anyway, here is what I've put together so far. I just started kind of laying out the table. My husband's drink tray is over there. He'll be in charge of that. And here is what we're making today. I'm going to make a hot taco dip and serve that alongside some Tostitos scoops and veggies. I'm going to be making some grape jelly meatballs in the crock pot and some Nanaimo bars. My husband's making an apple cocktail, and then he's going to be in charge of grilling some drumsticks that we're making like a Dr. Pepper marinade for. I'll probably make the marinade for him. And sorry, my kid is playing with my dog's water dish. And then he'll actually grill those. And then my mom is bringing a cheese, sausage, and cracker tray and some Chex Mix. I'm so excited about both of these. This Chex Mix was actually my uncle's recipe for homemade Chex Mix, and it is the best thing on earth. You will never want to have store-bought Chex Mix after you try that one. I wanted to quickly show you guys some of the recipes. So I'm going to be making this hot taco dip from 5 Heart Home. I'm going to be making grape jelly meatballs. This is just a Taste of Home slow cooker recipe. And then I'm going to be making these Dr. Pepper drumsticks, also from Taste of Home. I have the paper copy of that recipe, and I'm kind of annoyed with myself that I can't find it. But in any event, last I'm going to be making these Nanaimo bars. They're from a Food Network magazine. I believe it was the July-August issue. For those of you that don't know, this is sort of a Canadian tradition. I have made them before and love them, but my husband has never had them. So I thought I would go ahead and make them for today, just as a fun, sweet treat with all the heavy sort of snacky things we have going on. And then we are going to be making a apple drink. It has apple vodka, some sweet wine, and some grapefruit juice. So I'll go ahead and take you guys along for the day. I can't wait for this sort of fake tailgate and football we've got going on. I forgot to say one fun part of today is you can definitely dress up in support of your team. I definitely have my Indiana gear on today. I'm sure my husband will as well. I dressed my kid in an adorable little Notre Dame onesie that I'll show you guys later, and I'm sure my mom will show up in Purdue gear. So easy, fun way to support the team and make the day a little bit special. Hey guys, this is the outfit I was telling you about for my son. Is that not the most adorable little onesie you've seen? I'm so excited for him to wear this today. Okay, these Nanaimo bars have 3 layers. So for the first layer, you're going to combine butter, unsweetened cocoa powder, granulated sugar, and egg, graham cracker crumbs, shredded coconut, and almonds into a double boiler, which I've got set up here. And that will create sort of the crust base layer. So I'm going to go ahead and get this started. I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Okay, as you guys saw, we got the base layer together, and now we have 2 more layers to do on these bars. The first, you need butter, vanilla pudding, instant vanilla pudding mix, and heavy cream in a stand mixer, and then we're going to add 2 cups of confectioner sugar. Mix that all up, and then that's going to become the next layer that goes on here. And then the final layer that goes on, we've got 4 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate and 2 tablespoons of butter heating over a double boiler, and we'll get that all mixed up till it's melted, and that'll go on as the 3rd layer. So next up is some crock pot grape jelly meatballs. All this is a jar of grape jelly, a jar of chili sauce, and some frozen turkey meatballs. And then we will cook it in the crock pot for 3 to 4 hours on low until we're ready. Okay, so next up we are making the sauce for the Dr. Pepper drumsticks. This starts with just a cup of ketchup, and then you're going to add bourbon, which I have stolen from my mom's house because we don't have bourbon here. Worcestershire sauce, some barbecue spice seasoning, some minced onion, Dr. Pepper regular sugar, and then some salt. So we will get that all mixed up in a pan and heated, and then my husband's going to grill the drumsticks and just sort of baste with this sauce. Okay, here is what the barbecue sauce for the drumsticks ended up looking like. We ended up bringing it to a boil and then cooking for about 10 minutes until it had thickened up a little bit. And here is a status update on the meatballs. They smell delicious. The whole house smells like meatballs. It smells great. And then the last thing we're cooking is this hot taco dip. This started just by browning some ground turkey and then adding a packet of taco seasoning to that. And then at the last minute, I will add 2 cups of cheese, a brick of cream cheese, a cup of salsa, and 1/4 cup of milk. And then I'm going to add, because I'm extra on top, just some more sprinkled cheddar. So we will get that all mixed, and then I'm going to end up putting it in this dish. And then I will serve that alongside these multigrain scoops. And then for the dip, I'm also going to add some carrots, celery, some cut up bell pepper, and then just some pretzel sticks because, you know, #health. And then I also have a bowl of pretzel sticks here. My mom taught me a hack for the meatballs. You can use the pretzel sticks as a toothpick. Instead of a toothpick, you can use that, so it's disposable and less waste. So anyway, we're starting to take shape here. Okay, as you guys saw, here are the finished Nanaimo bars. They look pretty good. I could have cut them probably a little bit cleaner, but I think they look good. I'm interested to taste them. I hope you guys enjoyed this and got some inspiration for a fun, safe thing to do this fall or winter. My favorite thing from the spread was the taco dip. Same thing for my mom. She liked the taco dip the best. My husband liked the Dr. Pepper drumsticks the best, and we all agreed that the cocktail was dangerously good. If you guys liked this video, go ahead and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and hit that like button, and I will be back for another fun video sometime soon. Thanks!